they suppress you as the individual, and even your self-esteem, image, all of that is literally taken away from you as an individual.
And then that person who's getting abused feels so bad about themselves that when the other person in the relationship apologizes with the flowers and then they woo them back, they feel so grateful that they're feeling loved from this person. And then that's the cycle, right?
That is the cycle, unfortunately. And
Yeah.
it sometimes it's hard if you don't have a really supportive family, friends, to be able to see what's going on, to help you. And sometimes it's hard as the individual because it's easier for someone who is not inside of it to say that, oh, you can just get out of it. It's not that easy. The person is in there. It's better to trust what you know than what you don't know, and this is sort of what they've known. No matter how long it's been, abuse could really be a very tumultuous and difficult thing to endure or go through as an individual.
Yeah, and they get to the point where they don't even believe or know that they deserve more. It's
Yes.
as simple as that. If they really knew that they deserved more, they would leave and get more and what they deserve, but they've been so brainwashed and
Yes.
they've left and betrayed their authentic self, who they really are,
Exactly.
that they're so far away from knowing that. So that's the work you do, and that's the work I do in different
Yes.
ways to help people just
See.
connect with themselves again.
Yes. No, totally. It's never the easiest. I mean, that's for sure. We know that. A lot of times when they even present to us, it's in the context of other things they're presenting because they're either going through mood disorders, anxieties, and then you're engaging and then you're learning more, and all these other things that are unfolding as you're in conversation with them. And then of course you need to address everything, because you're addressing the individual as a whole person. And so whether it's the anxiety they've come in with, or the mood, or just maybe it's a couple's relationship, therapy, whichever one it is. So you identify all these different factors. And then when you do notice that, you encourage them that, the best treatment really is therapy. For that, I think they really have to just come to that place of recognition and a place of willingness. A lot of times it's not the easiest, but with encouragement, and if that person, a lot of times by the time they're presenting to you, some things are at stake, and that's always huge, whether it's relationship or a career, or opportunities that something they really want for themselves. And that's what
Mhm.
really see them like, okay, I need to fix this. So,
Yeah, with so many things in life, it's you have to hit rock bottom, whatever that is, and you hope that it's not, as sometimes it is, really rock bottom and horrible situations. But sometimes somebody's rock bottom is not life threatening or anything like that, but it's their own rock bottom and it's all relative. But they need to get to that point
they
where they
need to
say,
get to that.
enough is enough.
Yes.
I need to make a change. I don't want to live the rest of my life like this.
Yes, absolutely.